Many of our neuroscience researchers really work in silos of what is attention, what is memory, what is emotion. But how about if we were able to look at all of those together? And how about if we could do that within a short period of time? Because we're thinking about the patient visit to the clinic. We're thinking about the community clinic. We're thinking about the primary health clinic. So our lab is really that energy, bringing engineers, mental health clinicians, neuroscientists together, as I'm sure Leanne's group is doing as well over here, is that bringing that energy that we want to bring scalable tools that are that can be employed in small period of time, and that can be not just limited to our institutions, but also allow me to work with global mental health communities in India, as well as, in global mental health, we talk about global health is local. So I work with communities such as today in California, one of the biggest crises is in the context of climate trauma, climate change, and that is being exacerbated by adverse childhood experiences. There's just so much to talk about. But what I want to bring to the table here is, while we think about high-end approaches that cost a lot, we also have to think about how these methods get integrated with our primary communities. And alongside wearables, what we're trying to do is see that cognition and neuroscientific understanding, as well as how our bodies respond, which wearables are telling us about our sleep, our stressors, our physical activity, together create the biotype for any given individual. We're really far from cluster approaches. We're really, neuroscience and these methods have done a lot of studies out there that work on group-based approaches. A person with depression has a certain genetic risk or a certain functional risk, versus another where healthy people do not. But when a new person comes to the clinic, well, what are we going to do with them? We have to move to more N of 1 methods, and that's where all of these technologies come together, and we're excited to work on that.